This is a story about a girl named Petty. Early morning, she starts to cuss. Stalked by a whore. It's just a hater spreading lies. She waits for them at the door.
I was waiting for you at the door.
They go, isn't she petty? This messy ass girl. She throws shade. She's so petty. She's a bitch and she'll fight if you talk that shit. Hater, if you're nothing in this girl's life, then why do you choose to spread those lies? She'll hurt your feelings. She is mean, so it's best not to test your luck. And the world stays hating, and this girl keeps shading. Just try her, she'll put you to a stop. They go, isn't she petty? This messy ass girl. She throws shade. She's so petty. She's a bitch and she'll fight if you talk that shit. Hater, you're nothing in this girl's life, then why do you choose to spread those lies?
Best actress, and the winner is Patty. I'm Queen of the Ratchet from Ratchet News, standing outside the arena waiting for Patty. Oh my God, here she comes!
Isn't she petty? This messy ass girl. She's so petty, but why does she fight? Hater, you're nothing in this girl's life. Why you choose to spread those lies? She's so shady. She's so petty. She's a bitch and she'll fight if you talk that shit. Hater, if you're nothing in this girl's life, then why do you choose to spread those lies? She's so petty and she'll fight